हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये हमारा पॉलीमर केमिस्ट्री का मोलर मास एंड इट्स डिटर्मिनेशन पे हमारा ये तीसरा वीडियो है। इस वीडियो में हम देखने जा रहे हैं कि हमने दो एग्जाम्पल लिए थे जिसमें हमने डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पॉलीमर लिए और उसमें हमने देखा कि हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर एवरेज मोलर मास एंड वेट एवरेज मोलर मास। हमारे इस तीसरे वीडियो में हम नंबर एवरेज मोलर मास निकालने के लिए जो जनरल फार्मूला यूज़ होता है वो हम अभी यहाँ पे इवेल्युएट करेंगे। तो हमने एग्जाम्पल के बजाय हमने यहाँ पे वेरिएबल लेके अभी ये एग्जाम्पल हम ले रहे हैं। इसमें हमने दिखाया कि फर्स्ट टाइप मोनोमर ए, सेकंड टाइप मोनोमर बी, थर्ड टाइप मोनोमर सी अगर हम ले रहे हैं, number of A type of monomer is N1, number of B type of monomer is N2 and number of C type of monomer is N3 and mass of each monomer, that means monomer A is M1, mass of monomer B is M2 and mass of monomer C is M3. The total mass of monomer A N1 into M1, the total mass of monomer B N2 into M2 and total mass of monomer C is N3 into M3. The all total mass of given polymer is a summation of Ni into Mi. If we want to calculate number average molar mass, the summation of number fraction of A type monomer, number fraction of monomer A into weight of monomer A. Similarly, this calculation is for B type monomer and similarly this calculation is for C type of monomer. Number fraction of monomer A into weight of monomer A, number fraction of monomer B into weight of monomer B and number fraction for monomer C. ठीक है, तो नंबर फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मोनोमर ए N1 डिवाइड बाय summation of Ni, that means total number of all the monomer, total number summation of Ni N1 and into weight of monomer A is M1. Similarly plus weight fraction of monomer B N2, total number of monomer Ni into M2. Similarly for C type of monomer N3 into M3 divided by summation of Ni. By using the above information, we say that summation of Ni Mi, summation of N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus N3 M3. Here we have to use only N1 M1, M2 M2 and N3 M3 divide by summation of Ni. But this is also, if there are three type of monomer used, then we use N1 M1, M2 M2, N3 M3. Suppose there are large number of monomers are present, then we can calculate in such a way summation of Ni into Mi divided by summation of Ni. This formula can also be written in such a way summation of Ni into Mi divided by Ni. By using this formula, summation of Ni Mi divided by summation of Ni. By using this formula, we can calculate the number average molar mass of a given polymer. After that, if we want to calculate the weight average molar mass, what is the formula generated for the number average weight average molar mass? In that case, here in place of number fraction, here we have to take weight fraction of monomer A and weight of monomer A, weight fraction of monomer A and weight of each monomer A. Similarly, for the B type of monomer and C type of monomer, then weight fraction of monomer A, that means N1 into M1, N1 into M1 out of summation of Ni into Mi, out of total weight there is a weight of monomer A into M1 plus N2 M2 divided by summation of Ni Mi into M2. This is the weight fraction of monomer B. It is the weight fraction of monomer B into weight of monomer B. Similarly, M3 N3 divided by summation of Ni Mi into M, here N3 M3 into M3. If from the above observation we says that summation of Ni Mi is a common denominator, therefore we can write in such a way summation of Ni Mi in the numerator place N1 into M1 into M1 means M1 square plus N2 into M2 square, M2 into M2, M2 square. Now in third case N3 into M3 into M3, that means M3 square. From this observation we again write in such a way summation of Ni Mi in the above summation of Ni Mi square. By using this formula we can calculate the weight average molar mass for each polymer by taking the example of three type of monomer. We evaluate the formula for number average molar mass as well as weight average molar mass. The weight average molar mass is written in such a way MW bar. Now if the same procedure is used, then we also evaluate the value of number average molar mass as well as weight average molar mass as well as viscosity average molar mass and for sedimentation average molar mass. The formula for number average molar mass of polymer, number average molar mass is equal to summation of Ni Mi divided by summation of Ni. This is the formula for number average molar mass. This number average molar mass is also written in such a way N bar summation of Ni into Mi divided by summation of Ni. Similarly, weight average molar mass MW bar is equal to summation of Ni Mi square divided by summation of Ni into Mi. Similarly, we can write the sedimentation average molar mass MZ bar is equal to समेशन ऑफ ni इंटू mi क्यूब, समेशन ऑफ ni इंटू mi क्यूब, समेशन ऑफ ni इंटू mi क्यूब डिवाइड बाय समेशन ऑफ ni इंटू mi. सिमिलरली विस्कोसिटी एवरेज मोलर मास, viscosity average molar mass for polymer can also be calculated by using formula mv bar summation of mi ni summation of ni mi raised to power 1 by raised to power divided by summation of ni into mi, summation of ni mi raised to power 1 plus a raised to power 1 plus a in bracket raised to power 1 by summation of ni mi raised to power 1 plus a raised to power 1 by a. Here n be the number of polymer, number of monomer unit, mass of each monomer unit, number of each monomer unit, mass of each monomer unit. In all the three formula, this number and mass is also same. Here the factor a is a constant or a is a variable whose value varies from, a is a variable whose value varies from 0.5 to 1. So by using such a type of formula we can calculate the number average molar mass, weight average molar mass, sedimentation average molar mass and viscosity average molar mass for a polymer molecule. तो आज के लिए ये फार्मूले आप सभी जन ध्यान में रखें और इसी फार्मूले का इस्तेमाल करके आपको जो न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स है जो आपके एमएससी सेकंड ईयर में पॉलीमर केमिस्ट्री के सेकंड यूनिट में जो आएंगे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, आप इस फार्मूले के द्वारा सॉल्व कर सकती है. इसका प्रेफरेंस ये इसी फार्मूले का यूज़ करके नेट सेट में भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. आप इनका उपयोग नेट सेट एग्ज़ाम के लिए भी अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. तो आज के लिए ये वीडियो ये अपना थर्ड वीडियो है. इसके बाद हम चौथे वीडियो में इससे नेक्स्ट इससे जुड़ा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वो देखेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.